So you remember on last week's episode how I took you throughout the hair store, I showed you what products to use, what scarves to use. Well, in today's video, I'm going to actually show you how to apply those products and how to properly take care of your hair at home. I bought my own bonnet, I bought my own scarf, and both of these are satin. Both of them are satin, so you don't have to worry about anything sucking the moisture out your hair. Then after that, I'm going to show you how to actually properly moisturize and hydrate your hair in the mornings. And I have these two, my favorite two. But I have their favorite cousin along the way as well. And that's going to show you something else. But let's start unpacking. Don't laugh at me. So, this is cute. Fresh, shiny. Look. Got the secure thick band that's going to protect your edges. And even that's still satin as well. So outside of that, we got our long rectangular extra long scarf. Again, no judgment how I open my packages. Okay. And this is what I recommend, or this is what I be describing to you guys when I say get a long straight hair scarf to tie down first. So let's get started. So we're gonna take these hoops off. Take the hoops off, flip the hair back. Get your scarf, lay it flat. And some of you guys, you can fold it in half. It's all based on your preference. Even it out. I like to wrap from front to back. Flatten all this out. And yes, these are outside approved. Don't walk outside with no granny bonnet on. These can be fashionably dressed up. It's different than walking outside with a bonnet. But do I encourage either one? Not really. So let's wrap. I did front to back, and I'm gonna bring it back around to the front, and I'm gonna put it in a nice little nap right there. Tie once, tie one more time, and then we're gonna tuck. Now after we tuck, for some of you guys, depending on your length, this might be suitable enough. This might be good, especially for the ones that say, oh, I have a satin pillowcase. Well, if that's the case, do this and then lay in your satin pillowcase. But don't go in that satin pillowcase by itself. But anywho, on to the next. After you do your scarf, you're gonna pull your hair forward. Flip it forward like how I did here. Put the bonnet on, tuck, tuck, tuck. Adjust it how you see fit. And then boom. You are ready to go to bed. You did it. I told you guys it was something so simple. I did it. Now let me see if you can do it. So after you wake up in the morning, let me show you what you do next. You see, I already showed you how to properly protect your hair at night when you go into bed. Now I'm going to show you how to take care of it before you get out the house and get your day started. I'm going to take this off first. Be nice with your hair. Don't just snatch it off. I'm going to take this one off. Whew. Look, girl. Look, you guys. I can't even say girl because, guys, y'all be having inches too. After that one, I'm going to come to this one. Literally, just do the same steps but in reverse of what you did last night. Untie, untie. Whew. Feel good. I think I tied it a little too tight. Don't be like me. But now, in the mornings when after you brush your teeth, wash your face, done whatever skincare routine that you're gonna do, let's do hair routine. Now, hair routines only need to be incorporated twice a week. For some people, depending on how your hair holds moisture, you can maybe even get away with once a week. But let me show you how to properly take care of your hair before you step out and about. So, we're gonna take our hydration mist, our therapeutic hydration mist by Talia YG. Excuse me if I mispronounce her name, but you guys know exactly who I'm talking about. I've shown you guys so many times what product to use, where to go to, all that. Anyhow, let's get past that. So you're gonna spray, and you see how I'm literally going all around in the scalp area? Don't worry, I'm gonna go down shaft of the hair as well. So I'm gonna hold it out like this, and I'm gonna spray. spray. And I know everybody don't have the same length, but even for my short babies, you guys can go short with it as well. Make sure you get all around. I didn't say drench your hair now. Don't drench it. But make sure it's enough all the way throughout the hair to where your hair can soak it up and it's going to hold you for a couple of days. Now after that, I'm going to take my oil. I'm going to literally run it throughout the scalp. Just run it from front to back, left to right, up and down. Whatever your theory of direct, whatever, it don't matter. Go all the way throughout. Now, no, I'm not done. I've oiled my scalp, but now let's go throughout and massage it. Make sure it's actually getting all the way throughout the hair. All the way throughout. Massage, massage, massage. And sometimes, depending on how much you put on the scalp, there might just be enough to rub all the way throughout them as well. Just like that there. But with me, it's been, I want to say, I've been hard-hitting myself and not following my own directions. I want to say it's probably been like a week and a half. So I'm going to come along and do this area as well. I'm going to just run it all the way down. I'm just going to massage it. Just rub it all the way throughout. And I would like for you guys to do this in the morning because that's when you're actually out and about, your blood level, excuse me, not your blood level, but your body temperature is actually up to where it can penetrate the scalp and the hair follicles the way it needs to, versus at night when you're going to bed and you're just laying on a product. You don't want to just lay on a product. But I get it, some of you guys sweat in your sleep, some of you guys are like, oh, well, my body temperature's up at night. That's not ideal. Don't hydrate, oil, and moisturize your hair just to go lay on it. No, do it in the mornings, where it actually has time to seep in, penetrate the scalp, penetrate the hair, penetrate the shaft of the hair the way it properly needs to. And that right there is what I recommend for you to properly take care of your hair at home and make sure it's healthy and long lasting until you can see your loctician again. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below for next week's video.